Okay, so I promised a video of our progress on the cabin, and please forgive the dirt, but well, here it is. As you can see, our cabin is about 20 inches off the ground, and that was work that John and I have been working on for some time, and I'll zoom over here so you can see what we've got, how we did that. So basically there's a 12-ton jack right there. We put that on the corners and in the middle, and we just jacked it up a little bit, slid a 2x4 in, pulled the jack out, moved around to the other side, did the same thing. We just went the four corners until we were getting up high enough we could slide these blocks in on top of the existing block footings that we had there and some new ones that we added. And then that allowed us, and yeah, I know that the back one does tilt a little, but that's just the way that the base block was, so we've added some other stuff in there to kind of compensate for the tilting. So the object was to get the thing up off the ground about 20 inches so that we could have room to slide our beams under, which, as you can see, we've got in 20-foot beams that we're going to join together and in the center holes. And as you can see, we've got our center holes dug, and we're going to join those together to make the 36-foot long piers, 6 sets of those, for a total of 40 feet wide, 36 long deep. We'll just cut off the 20-foot beams as necessary to make it fit. The holes we dug out, as you can see, are comprised mostly of sand and clay and rock, a mixture commonly referred to as Class 5. And we learned as we were raising this thing up that Class 5 is easily compressible by the weight of the cabin. So we didn't want that. We wanted something a little bit more stable. Consequently, we ordered in clean washed sand for the base and clean washed gravel for the foundation for stability. And then lastly, we got a little squares of foam. This is closed cell foam that we're going to use as a frost protection. So I'm going to pause here, and then I'll show you layer by layer what I'm doing to fill each of these holes, and then we'll go from there.